Hello everyone. In this first video of chapter elements groups 16, 17 and 18, I will be talking about the occurrence of elements of group 16, 17 and 18, their electronic configuration and some physical properties. Let's start. Here is the periodic table and the group 16, 17, 18 are located on this side of the P block in periodic table. Let's start with group 16 elements. Group 16 elements are also called chalcogens. It is consisting of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. If I talk about the occurrence of group 16 elements are also called chalcogens or ore forming elements. Oxygen is one of the most abundant element of the earth, and oxygen forms 20.95% by volume of air and about 46.6% by mass of the earth crust. Sulfide forms 0.034% by mass of the earth crust, and it occurs mainly in the combined form as sulfates and sulfides. Sulfates like calcium sulfate .2H2O, which is gypsum, Epsom salt like MgSO4 0.7 H2O, sulfide like galena PbS, and zinc blende like ZnS. Selenium and tellurium are also found as metal selenides and tellurides as in sulfide ores, and polonium, which is radioactive metal, is a decay product of thorium and uranium. These are the group 17 elements, which are also called halogens. Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. If I talk about the occurrence of halogen is containing fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine, collectively known as halogens, and these are salt producing elements. Halogens are very reactive because of their high electronegativities. They used to not found free state in the earth crust. Fluorine occurs mainly in the form of fluorides like fluorspar, cryolite and fluorapatite. It is also found like in soil, in freshwater plants, in bones and in teeth of the animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides, iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium metals. It mainly occurs as NaCl 2.5% biomass. The deposits of dried up seabeds contain sodium chloride and carnallite, which is KCl MgCl2.6H2O. Marine life contains iodine in their systems. For example, seaweed contains 0.5% iodine and chili saltpeter contains 0.2% of sodium iodide. Astatine is one of the radioactive element and its half-life is 8.1 hours. If we are talking about group 18 elements, so these are the noble gases. The noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Noble gases are the inert gases also, which usually do not react with anybody. All the noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. Their abundance in dry air is approximately is equal to 1% by volume, with argon as a major constituent. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin, that is pitchblende, monazite and clavite. Xenon and radon are the rarest elements of the group, and radon is a decay product of 226Ra. Now, the condensed electronic configuration of group 16, 17 and 18. These are the group 16 elements, and these are the description of their condensed electronic configuration. If I am talking about oxygen, its electronic configuration is helium's electronic configuration and 2s2 2p4, sulfur, neons and 3s2 3p4, selenium, argons and 3d10 4s2 4p4, and so on. As we are moving down, we are seeing there is a gradual addition of one new shell, so the size is increasing. Now, if we are talking about the halogens, the first element of halogen is fluorine, having electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p5. Then chlorine is having neon 3s2 3p5, bromine, argon 3d10 4s2 4p5. If we are talking about group 18 elements, the noble gases, the first element is helium, having electronic configuration 1s2. Neon is having electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p6. Argon having electronic configuration neons, then 3s2 3p6. All in all the elements in the group 18 are having fulfilled their subshells. That is why they are noble gases or inert gases. Now, atomic and physical properties of elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Atomic and ionic radii in group 16, 17 and 18. Atomic and ionic radii increase down in a group as a result of increase in the number of quantum shells, or the new shell will gradually add up as we are moving down in a group. Across the period, atomic radii or ionic radii decreases with the increase in the atomic number, and it is decreasing because the effective nuclear charge is increasing. Group 17 elements have the smallest atomic radii in the respective periods. If I am talking about ionization enthalpy, group 16, 17, 18 elements have high ionization enthalpy. They used to not remove their electron very easily. The ionization enthalpy decreased down in a group due to the increase in the atomic size. Across the period, ionization enthalpy decreases with the increase in atomic number. This is due to the addition of electron in the same shell. However, the elements of the group 16 have lower ionization enthalpy values than those of group 15 in the correspondence period due to the extra stable half-filled electronic configuration of p orbitals in group 15. So this is all about the ionization enthalpy of group 16, 17 and 18. Now, the next is electronegativity. Electronegativity usually decreases down in a group. Oxygen has the highest electronegativity next to the fluorine amongst all the elements in the periodic table. Halogens have very high electronegativity, and fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. If I talk about electron gain enthalpy, the group 16, 17 and in the group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down in a group. In group 16, oxygen has less negative electron gain enthalpy than silver due to its small size. In group 17, fluorine has less electron gain enthalpy than the chlorine due to its small size of fluorine atom. And in group 18, elements have no tendency to accept electron because of their electronic configuration, and we have learned the general electronic configuration of group 18 is NH2 and NP6. Then they are having large value of electron gain enthalpy. Now let's talk about physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Group 16 elements or oxygen family or chalcogens. Oxygen is a gas while other elements are solid at room temperature. Oxygen and sulfur are normal non-metals. Selenium, tellurium are metalloids, whereas polonium is a metal. Polonium is a radioactive metal with the half-life 13.8 days. Melting boiling point increase with increasing atomic number in the group 16 elements, and all the elements used to serve allotropic forms. If I am talking about group 17 elements, that is halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid at room temperature. Fluorine is yellow color, chlorine is greenish color, bromine is red, and iodine is violet in color. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly insoluble, and they are very much soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, ethanol, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride. If I am talking about the bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecule, this is the order. Bond dissociation is highest in case of chlorine to chlorine. It is then bromine to bromine, then fluorine to fluorine, and then iodine to iodine. If I talk about the group 18 elements, group 18 elements are the noble gases. These are monoatomic. They are sparingly soluble in water. The noble gases is having very low melting and boiling point, and helium has the lowest boiling point, that is 4.2 Kelvin of any known substance. Now let's talk about the anomalous behavior of oxygen. Oxygen shows the following anomalous property. Number one is atomicity. Oxygen is diatomic, and other are polyatomic molecule like phosphorus is having atomicity 4 and sulfur has atomicity 8. Oxygen is paramagnetic, others are diamagnetic. Oxidation state of oxygen is used to be like -2, -1 and +2 in very few compounds. Other elements used to show oxidation state like -2, +2, +4, +6 oxidation states. Oxygen cannot exhibit a higher oxidation state due to the absence of vacant d orbitals. Nature of hydride of oxygen is neutral at room temperature and it is liquid form. Other hydrides of group 16 are gaseous. Common covalency of oxygen is 2. It is rare in rare cases it is 4, but other members of group 16 is having covalency can exceed up to 4. Anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to the reason it is having the small size, it is having higher electronegativity, and it is not having inner d orbitals. If I am talking about anomalous behavior of fluorine, fluorine is behaving exceptionally because of its small size, its high electronegativity, absence of d orbitals in valence shell, and low fluorine to fluorine dissociation enthalpy. Some common anomalous properties of fluorine is ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential are all higher for fluorine than expected trends shown by the other halogen metals or halogen elements. Ionic and covalent radii, melting point, boiling point, electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic reaction due to the short and strong bond formed by it with other elements. It forms only one oxoacid, that is HOF, while other halogen used to form number of oxoacids. Hydrogen fluoride is a liquid with boiling point 293 Kelvin due to the strong hydrogen bonding